गोवन वार्ता लाईव्हच्या यूट्यूब चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन दाबून लेटेस्ट व्हिडिओचं नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा।
कोविडची तिसरी लाट रोखण्यासाठी सरकारनं नेमलेल्या तज्ञ डॉक्टरांच्या समितीची पहिली बैठक शनिवारी पार पडली। तिसरी लाट ही मुलांसाठी घातक असणार आहे। या दृष्टीने तज्ञ डॉक्टरांचा समावेश असलेल्या या समितीने सरकारला काही महत्त्वाच्या सूचना केल्या आहेत। त्याचप्रमाणे काही महत्त्वाचे निर्णयही या बैठकीत घेण्यात आले।
Tell you what are the preparedness made by government of Goa for third wave. Yesterday we had a meeting chaired by Honorable Chief Minister and the Health Minister, Honorable Health Minister, which is a task force committee of the state of Goa. After that meeting there were some decisions which were taken, and then we were told that there is an expert committee to guide the government on third wave. As you are aware that third wave is likely to affect the children and people below 18 years. We want to be prepared in all its aspects, and since it is going to be a pediatric age group, the expert committee has some of the renowned pediatricians and the people who are in the field of neonatology and pediatrics. So the committee consists of the practitioners from Goa Medical College as well as the private practice. And
first thing is we have three age groups to consider. Particularly one is the newborn, which is one peculiar age group. Second is the general pediatric age group, and the third is the adolescent age group, which is between 12 to 18. So we have looked at what we have as a newborn baby beds required, what we have in the pediatric age group, and where we can accommodate the adolescents. So looking at whatever existing infrastructure is there in Goa Medical College and in the district hospitals, both north and south, and what we have in the private sector, we have made a few recommendations and suggestions how to ramp it up. Secondly, we have made particular focus on home monitoring, where that is going to be the crux of the management of all children if and when the wave, or even if despite the wave, whatever situation is there, it is the age group where home monitoring becomes very important.
All along now, we used to say that only those that had flu-like symptoms, cough, would children with that would come running to it. But we know that COVID also can manifest with other symptomatology, like even diarrhea, vomiting. They can come with rash. They can come with some skin lesion. So any child that is sick with all these things should really approach the doctors. Another group that we have seen that could have problems are those that have comorbidities. There are children with heart problems. There are children with diabetes. There are obese children that could be, with COVID, these diabetes come up suddenly. So those children that have these comorbidities, whether it is cardiac, whether it is kidney problems, whether it is like cerebral palsy, the disease can progress a little faster. So it's better that these children who have these symptoms should approach the doctor so that the needful can be done.
आम्ही पळयल्या प्रमाणे फाटल्या वर्सा अराउंड 7 to 8% भुरगीं पॉझिटिव्ह येतालीं आउट ऑफ ऑल दोज वर टेस्टेड पॉझिटिव्ह. पण फाटल्या 3 म्हयन्यान आमच्या लक्षान आयलां की सादारण जे गोंयांत टेस्टेड पॉझिटिव्ह आसा फॉर कोवीड, ऑन एन एवरेज 10 to 12% आर चिल्ड्रन बिलो द एज ऑफ 18 years. सो 18 वर्सां सकल भुरग्यांचे कोवीड जाल्ले प्रमाण मातशें वाडत चल्लां. सिंगल डिजीट आशिल्ले 8-9% ते आतां 11-12% पावलां. सेम इज द पॅटर्न ऑल ओवर इंडिया. इवन ऑल ओवर इंडिया अंडर 20 years comprise 12% ऑफ ऑल कन्फर्म कोवीड केसीस एज ऑफ नाव. सो आज आमच्या कमिटीन डॉक्टर्स फ्रॉम GMC, डॉक्टर्स फ्रॉम IAP, under chairmanship of our dean at directions of honorable CM and HM, we met and discussed various issues. Most important is infrastructure requirement. आम्ही assessment केले की साधारण ऑल ओवर गोवा 101 neonatal ICU युनिट्स आसा, आणि आज डिसिजन घेतला की ते 101 NICU बेड्स जे आसात ते एक्स्ट्रा 10 बेड्स GMCन सुरू करतले, प्लस नॉर्थ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलान एक्स्ट्रा 5 बेड्स सुरू करतले इमिजिएटली. आणि जसे पर्सेंटेज वाडटा तशें इट मायट बी स्केल्ड अप इन डेज टू कम. दुसरें PICU पिडियाट्रीक ICU बेड्स सध्या 36 आसा गोंयांत, आणि आमच्या कमिटीन आज डिसायड केला की वेळ जर आयली जाल्यार अरावंड 20% ऑफ दी एडल्ट ICU बेड्स वी कॅन कन्वर्ट टू द पिडियाट्रीक ICU बेड्स. त्याच प्रमाणे SNCU बेड्स म्हणून आसा नॉर्थ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलान विच आर 5. सो सध्या आयज पॉझिटिव्ह गोष्ट जी आसा, प्रायवेट डॉक्टर्स फ्रॉम द पिडियाट्रीक फ्रेटर्निटी and government doctors from GMC and DHS have come together, and IAP चे डॉक्टर्स पिडियाट्रिशियन्स हांणी स्वताहून सांगला की आमी डॉक्टर्स येवन आमच्या सरकारा बरोबर काम करपाक तयार आसा एट द डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल एट GMC. आणि एक प्रपोजल आज आमी मांडले तांच्या समोर, ते IAP कडेन डिस्कस करून आमकां येतले की निदान एक प्रायवेट पिडियाट्रीक हॉस्पिटल नॉर्थ गोवा आणि निदान एक प्रायवेट पिडियाट्रीक हॉस्पिटल साऊथ गोवा गरज पडली जाल्यार कोविडा खातीर ते काम करतले. तें डिसिजन आमी IAPचेर सोपयलां. ते पिडियाट्रिशियन सगळे सादारण 130 आसा ते डिसायड करतले.